Everyone, it's Miss Perkins and welcome to Maths This Week. Now this week we're going to be learning all about number and place value. So we're going to be looking at numbers, recognising them, have a go at making some numbers and drawing out amounts to show numbers as well. So we're going to have lots of fun this week. So let's get started. Can you have a go at completing this number track? What are the missing numbers? I'll give you a couple of seconds to have a think about it. Perhaps you might write down the missing numbers for me. Remember, you can pause me at any time as well. So, let's see if you got it right. What are the missing numbers? Of course. So we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done if you got that right. What do you notice about all of the black numbers? And what do you notice about all the numbers in red? Can you see what all the black numbers are? Can you see what all the red numbers are? Well done if you thought all of those black numbers were odd numbers and all of those red numbers were even numbers. Well done if you said that. Fantastic. Perhaps you could pause me and have a little think about what an odd number is and what an even number is. So an even number, they always have a partner, don't they? So when we think about Numicon and picturing Numicon, if we had the Numicon piece 4, all of the numbers would have a partner, wouldn't they? All of the wholes. But if we thought about the odd number 3, there would always be one left out, wouldn't there? And we've learnt a lot about even and odd numbers, so hopefully you've remembered that really well. Okay, are you ready for another number track? Have a go at this one. What are the missing numbers here? Perhaps you could write them down. Pause me if you need to. Okay, let's see if you got it right. What are the missing numbers? Whoa, well done if you got those right. So we've got, let's count together, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Fantastic, well done. 1 more than 9 is 10. 1 less than 11 is 10. So that middle number there must be 10. And then I counted up. Right, let's have a look at the next number tracks. Oh, can you have a go at this one? It's a bit trickier. Have a go at filling in those missing numbers. And remember, you can pause me if you need a bit more time. Let's see if you got them right. Well done if you did. Let's count up together, starting from 26. Are you ready? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Brilliant job. Well done if you got those right. Make sure that all of your numbers are the right way round and in the right order as well, so we haven't flipped them over or anything. Okay, are you ready for the next number track? Give it your best go. Remember, you can pause me if you want a bit more time. Okay, let's see if you're right. What do we think the next numbers are going to be in these boxes? Well done if you got those right. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Fantastic, well done. So, the little girl here is saying, I completed the number track correctly. Do you agree with her? And if not, explain your answer. So look carefully at this number track. Has she completed hers correctly? Have a good look. Let's count up to check. 31, 32, 33. Oh, hang on a second. What should this number say? It should say 34, shouldn't it? Let me see if I can get my pen and have a go at writing on there. So it should say 34. And for 34, we need the 3 and then the 4. So she had them the other way round, didn't she? So 34, 35, 36, 27. No, that doesn't make sense. What should it say? It should say 37, shouldn't it? So, did she get it right or did she get it wrong, the little girl? She didn't quite get these two right, did she? What mistake do you think she made? So in this number, she got the numbers the wrong way round. Instead of writing 34, she wrote 43, didn't she? And in this one here, instead of writing 37, she wrote 27. So she didn't have enough tens here. She needed one more group of 10, didn't she? Let's see if we're right. So Kat has mistaken the number 43 for 34, and she's got the digits round the wrong way. Good job. I've had a little go at making the number 24 at home. This is how I did it. I used some resources that I had at home. I used some pasta and little chickpeas to make the number 24. So I knew I needed 2 groups of 10 and 4 ones to make 24, because I've got the 20 part, which is 10, 20 is there. And then I needed my 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So altogether I've got 24. Now it was tricky at home because I didn't have 10s and 1s like we do at school. And I'm sure it's unlikely that you have them as well. So today, when you're solving the problems with me now, or when you go to do your task in a minute, you're going to need to either find some resources at home that could be 10s and 1s, or you're going to draw them out for me. So if you think you need to pause me to go and find some things that could be your 10s and 1s, then pause me. And if you think that you could draw them out instead, we can have a good go at doing that together. So you can use anything to be your 10s and 1s. You could use pencils to be the 10s. You could use tiny little rubbers maybe to be the 1s. You see what you've got. Maybe you could use some Play-Doh and you could roll out big 10s, long 10s. And then you could do little Play-Doh circles to be the 1s. It depends what you've got in your house. So that was one example. This was my other. So I used 2 bits of pasta to be my 10s, 10, 20, and then I used 4 little raisins to be my 4 little 1s. But if you didn't have those resources, then of course you could have a go at drawing it, the number instead. So I'd need 2 groups of 10, so let me draw out those. 10, ooh, it's a little bit wobbly. 20, we want them to be lovely and long, don't we? 20, and then I'm going to do my 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 24. Okay, hopefully you're all ready with your resources, or you're going to have a go at drawing it out on a piece of paper or on a whiteboard. So let's move on to the next one, and you can have a go at either making them or drawing the numbers. Let me show you. Okay, so using your resources or drawing, can you show me and make me the number that has 1, 10 and 7 1s? 1, 10 and 7 1s. Give it a go. If you need to pause me, you can. So 1, 10 and 7 1s. Let me show you. 1 group of 10, and if you're drawing it out, you don't need to worry about each of the little squares in a 10. You can just draw me a 10 like this, like mine over here. And then we need 7 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you're drawing them, you can draw it like this. 1, 2, you can draw squares or you can draw circles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what number have we made? With 1 group of 10 and 7 1s, what number is that? And remember, then we're adding this together. So we're adding our 10 to our 7 1s. What number is it? Well done if you got it right. It's the number 17. Fantastic. Okay, let's try another. This time I'd like you to draw me 3 10s and 9 1s. Pause me if you need to. 3 10s and 9 1s. So draw it or make it with your resources. So there's our 3 10s and there's our 9 1s. What number have we made? Now let's count our 10s to find out. 10, 20, 30. So we've got 30 for our 10s. And now we're going to add on our 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is 30? Add 9. What number do we make? It's 39, isn't it? 3 10s and 9 1s is 39. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Well done if you got that one right. Let's try another. This time, can you have a go at making or drawing for me the number 12? Give it your best go. Remember, you can pause me if you need a bit more time. How many 10s and how many 1s do you need for 12? So we need one group of 10 and 2 1s. Together that makes 12 because there's 10 little ones making that 10 stick. So we count that as 10 and then 11, 12. So we've got 12 all together. Right, let's have a go at another. Can you make or draw for me the number 35? How many groups of 10 do we need and how many 1s do we need? Remember, you can pause me if you need a bit of time. Okay, so hopefully you've drawn for me 3 10s and 5 1s because 3 10s makes the 30 part and the 5 1s makes the 5. Let's count in 10s to check. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Well done for making the number 35 or drawing it for me. This time, can you have a go at making or drawing for me the number 48? How many 10s does it need? How many 1s does it need? You give it a go. Pause me if you need a bit more time. So, how many groups of 10 do we need? We need 4 groups of 10. There they are. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I've got my 40 part of the number. I've got my 10s. Now, how many 1s do I need? 8. Well done. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. Great job if yours looks like mine. Fantastic. Well done everyone for all of that fantastic maths. Now what I'd like you to do today is you're going to have a go at making or drawing different amounts using 10s and 1s, just like we would in the classroom using our 10 sticks and our 1s. And I'd like you to have a go at seeing how many 10s and how many 1s different numbers have. So give it your best go and I look forward to seeing what you do on Seesaw. Bye everyone.